Do you have a grease gun like this, but you're not quite sure how to refill it? This is the Everyday Man, and today I'm going to show you how. The first thing is, it's under pressure with this rod. So you have to be, first thing you don't want to do, you don't want to unscrew it by the threads here. See that it's turning very easy. You unscrew it here, and this plunger with the spring is going to blow everything right out the grease gun. So you don't want to do that. Take a glove, slide it over the tip, right? Any grease on that tip is not going anywhere. All right, so first is, let's pull it out. There we go. It takes a little pressure. And the reason it's sticking out like that, there's a groove on that rod and it falls into that side hole. We can unscrew this. This is threaded, and there you go. This is the grease I'm going to use from now on. This is very important. This end into gun first. So you're going to peel off this top, just like that. There's your grease. All right, so I took the wrapper off. So before you put this in, there's a cartridge in here already, right? So we have to grab onto the cartridge that's in here, pull it out, and you slide the new one in. Now it fits, the lip fits around here nicely. And before you put the back end back on, you need to open it. All right, so now what you want to do is pull this ring, and this is the other end of the cap. Okay, so there you go. Got that off. I'm just going to mash that into this paper towel like that. And the next step, of course, is to rotate this back on. So you've got all the grease in here. Screw it back in. At this point, you can release this. So just slide it in, and this is how easy it goes in. Right? All right, so now you can just start pumping it, see if the grease comes out. If it doesn't, I'll show you what to do next. All right, now that doesn't feel, there's no pressure on this. You got an airlock in there. On the inside here, remember there was an air gap between the grease inside the new tube and this whole area. There's no grease in there. So the pump's not gonna work. On the front of the grease gun right here, there is a bleeder valve, and I'll show that to you. Right here, that's your bleeder valve. You unscrew that, and that will let air out of the cylinder. The grease will push down, it'll push the air out, and it will start filling this pump chamber where this is pumping the grease. All right, so just unscrew that. So grease started coming out of there. Let's see if that's enough to get it working. And there you go. Put your gloves back on it. Well, that's how easy it is to put new grease in your grease gun. So if you tried to fill it and you can't get it to work, I say 100% reason is you have to open that bleeder valve. With that said, this is the Everyday Man saying thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.